How to change billing address on your Amazon. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can change billing address on Amazon and not residential address. So in order to change your billing address, first of all, download and open the Amazon shopping app on your mobile device and then simply log into your account. Now once you've logged in, as you can see, this is your residential address right over here and not your billing address. So since we are here to change our billing address, what you'll have to do is simply tap on these three lines over here. After that, scroll down until you see the option account. Simply tap on it. Now you'll have to scroll down until you see the option your payments. Simply tap on it. And then where it says add a payment method, tap on it. Now if you already had a payment method, you will simply see the option edit over there. But since we don't have a billing address, we'll simply tap on the option add a payment method. And now you will be able to choose any one of these. Now once you've chosen any one of these and then enter the detail, you will have successfully changed your billing address on Amazon. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.